we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and unclear words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This means harsh or stern, also unyielding or obstinate, but how do you go about pronouncing it? There are two different ways of saying it, either dour, dour in British English, or dour in American English. The other way is to say dʊər, 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 or dour. Two different ways, two correct ways of saying it. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. How do you like to say it yourself as well? Which one of those do you like best? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.